This video is going to cover how to calculate the empirical formula for a compound when you know the percent composition of all the elements involved. In this example we have vitamin C, which is 40.90% carbon, 4.55% hydrogen, and 54.54% oxygen. And the first thing we're going to do is assume that we have 100 grams of compound. So that will get us from percentages to masses. So if we have 100 grams of compound, we will have 40.90 grams of carbon. We will have 4.55 grams of hydrogen and 54.54 grams of oxygen. So now we have the masses of all of those elements, and the first thing we need to do is convert all of those to moles. So what we want are the moles of all of those compounds. So for carbon, 1 mole of carbon has a mass of 12 grams, so that gives us 3.41 moles of carbon. For hydrogen, 1 mole has a mass of 1 gram, so that gives us 4.55 moles of hydrogen. And for oxygen, 1 mole has a mass of 16 grams, so we get 3.41 moles of oxygen. Right. Now, the empirical formula is the lowest whole number ratio of all the elements in the compound. So to get that ratio, the first thing we want to do is divide by the smallest number of moles we have, which is 3.41 in this problem. So we divide everything by 3.41, and that gives us 1 mole of carbon. That will give us 1.33 moles of oxygen, and it will give us 1.33 moles of hydrogen, and it will give us 1 mole of oxygen. Now, we don't quite have the lowest whole number ratio of all the elements in the compound because we've got this fraction, the 1.33, which is a third. So what we're going to do is just multiply all of these numbers by 3, and that will give us the whole number. That will give us the whole number ratios for all those elements in the compound. So we have 3 moles of carbon, 4 moles of hydrogen, and 3 moles of oxygen. So the empirical formula is C3H4O3.